What's up, guys? Do you live in the UK and find it challenging to save some money? Well, I've got some advice for you. Oh, really? Are you doing that? Well, I've been off the track for the last year, but here's a useful advice. As soon as you get your salary, for example, let's say you get your salary on the 30th of each month, you are supposed to withdraw some amount of money to a different account so that you're not able to spend that money. Um, what I would do to get that amount is take your monthly salary. Let's say 1,000 is your monthly salary, £1,000, and you pay a rent of £500, and then your groceries and electricity bills would take up around, let's say, 400. So you end up spending £900 a month, and you can potentially save £100. What I would do is I would take that number 100 and multiply by 0.75. When you multiply that by 0.75, you get 75% of that amount, and you're supposed to take that money in a different account. Now we'll make a separate video of where could you potentially invest that amount. However, I am taking only 75% of that because I want to make sure you have that 25% in your bank account, so that in case you have something coming up in your way and that you have to pay. For example, you end up in a traffic violation, or you have to pay some fine, so you have some money. So keep saving that 25% in your accounts for your liquidity, so that you're able to pay that money. And then you're supposed to invest. We'll talk about investment later, but you're supposed to take that 75% of your saved amount on the first day of your receipt of your salary to another account, so you don't look at it. Yeah, that's lesson number one. Stay tuned for more tips. Thank you.